I consider it as my blessing to be part of 17th Sri P.K. Das Memorial Best Faculty Award and Lifetime Achievement Award. Today we are blessed with great two personalities to be part of this great occasion. The most respected Dr. Jacob Khale, Consultant Academic and Administration, ICSSR, SRC, Ministry of Education, Government of India, kind enough to be part of our great function as a chief guest and share his rich, knowledgeable thoughts for the benefit of academic fraternity. And our most beloved, an icon of Coimbatore, or we can say a role model for Tamil Nadu, and our great statesman of our country, Dr. B.K. Krishnaraj Vanovarai, educationalist, kind enough to be part of this great occasion and to spend almost 3 hours with us for blessing all our awardees and also to share a positive message to all the teaching fraternity to how to proceed further in the days to come. My dear brother, Advocate Dr. P. Ras, Honorary Trade Commissioner of Mauritius to India, Chairman and Marine Trustee, Nehru Group of Institution, in his presidential address has given a beautiful insight of what our higher education system is going to be in few years' time and how this new changes is going to help each institution or the role which each faculty has to contribute for being part of the change which we are foreseeing in our country. And the Mandar of our Nehru Group of Institution, Dr. H.N. Nagaraja, Executive Director, Academics and Administration, Professor Dr. Andruden, the designated Registrar of our University, Dr. V. Vijay Kumar, the Principal of Nehru Arts and Science College and the Convener, Dr. M. Kanagaratnam, the Coordinator of 17th Sri P.K. Das Memorial Best Faculty Award, and most respected jury members who has taken a lot of pain and sincerity to identify the best faculties of our founder, my father, on the 17th year also, without any recommendation, only on the merit, they have selected the best faculties of senior and junior category. I am so thankful to them for the great commitment which they have showering on the teaching fraternity and identifying the great people of our country. And today it is more precious for us because Lifetime Achievement Award is backed by Dr. K. Kadrivel sir from Bharatiya University, and it is a long-time associate of our Nehru Group of Institution, not only in terms of being sir as a part of Bharatiya University, but also always when we invite, sir used to come and also be part of our FDP program, be part of our chief guest of different occasions, and always try to share and support not only Nehru Group of Institution, but any institution to see that the best knowledge and information and transformation information shares to the institutions and faculty fraternity. I am really proud sir has achieved this great award. Thank you so much, and we are proud of you, sir, for achieving this Lifetime Achievement Award. And I don't want to go through the list of faculties who has received awards of senior and junior, but I remember two faces. One is from the Department of Engineering. I think sir is our ex-employee of NGI and has joined, taken up postdoctoral in abroad, and now joined with another institution. And my long-time associate of Nehru Arts and Science College also this year, Sir is receiving the award, and he is representing the microbiology bioscience department. And I think these two people are so close to us because they served with NGI and they moved for their progression of their career with other institution, but still they have the confidence to apply to us. And that is where this award all about. Because I was not knowing when I gone through the list, my own teachers, ex-teachers or ex-employees are going to get this award. They didn't approach me. They didn't approach my principals. They didn't approach any jury member. It's purely on the merit and the panel which they've taken the time and evaluated them based on the marks which we have different parameters. Yes, after listening to great leaders today, I don't have to add anything, but I strongly and personally believe it is my great honor, and for any son on this earth, this is the greatest day. Because if I am standing in front of you as a CU and secretary and a son of the great leader, and today we are honoring you on his name, it is only for one reason, because he has contributed a lot for higher education and sacrifice. No one would have undergone the pain which my father would have undergone in during 70s and 80s. No one would have heard about aeronautics or aircraft maintenance engineering. So from there, today whatever we are, it is only God's blessing and the blessing of great teachers who are receiving this award and making us better. And I am sure this all happens because of my principals of various institutions, deans and directors of various institutions, head of the departments, faculty fraternity, teaching and non-teaching members, and all the well-wishers who were supported, given hand, holded with us to get transformed what we are today. And if I want to go home today, because of the dais, my better half is here, Dr. Chaitanya, the correspondent of Nehru International School. If I am not mentioning, evening I'll have a tough time. So, I take this opportunity to say that each one of you always contributed for our growth. And every year when this award progress from strength to strength, 1,300 plus application this year, and we have targeted mainly on 3 states. I think we have one of the greatest person. I know him personally, Sir is from Bangalore. He is receiving the award. And I am sure that as every state, everyone has to apply. It is only happens because of my faculty fraternity, and we say that please inform the teachers. And I think this year, because of Vanavar Sir blessing, next year we don't have to knock any door. Obviously, on this time we will get thousands of applications, and this award will become a most sought after award for their individual achievement and for the institutional achievement. And my message to all the award winners is that, yes, everyone said, our responsibility is going to be more on serving your institution, taking care of your students, and transforming them what is required for the society. So, let us all work together. Let us not end our relationship just because you are receiving an award today. In the days to come, you come forward and say that, okay, sir, you need an help, or any of our institution, please come forward as the guest of chief guest or guest speaker or any forum on that matter or board of studies or anything. But do try to share your knowledge and experience that makes this teaching fraternity better. I'm sure that any institution you work, our institution, along with you, if you work together, we make a better society. We make a better transforming youth, which will serve this country and make this all happen. Once again, I pray to the Almighty, like, let my Father's blessing shower all of you, and let this blessing will continue in the days to come, and let your awards not only stop from here, it should continue to every year. You should achieve a lot of laurels, wherein which your identity, your individual achievements will be known to the world. And I'm always, on this occasion, I'll tell to my own teachers, please look at the profiles of those who have got the awards. because then they'll know how to plan themselves and how to mentor or improve their different achievements in research or publication. If I tell, they'll say that because of management, some innovative thoughts, it comes out. But it is not that. Every profile, it will be available. We are told that it should be available in library. So everyone should understand how each teacher is achieving or improving their credential. It will help all of us. So let us all work together. Let us all be proud, that really appreciate from my heart all these great award winners, because you made 17th year so proud to us, because we know that your commitment made your achievement today. Let this commitment and the service for your institution continue. Let us all make it happen. Thank you so much. God bless you. Jai Hind. Thank you so much.